As the difficult reality of the coronavirus pandemic began to reveal itself to the world last year, the city of Miami was stunned Friday, March 13, 2020, when Mayor Francis Suarez announced that he had contracted COVID-19 less than 24 hours after announcing that he had been exposed to the virus.
I will continue to follow Department of Health protocol and remain isolated while I lead our government remotely.
Fortunately, the mayor only experienced mild symptoms and was the first in the state to donate plasma shortly following his well-documented recovery under quarantine. During that time, the city's residents and workforce experienced a drastic shift as many started working from home, community events were canceled, businesses shut down, social norms evaporated with social distancing, and a mask mandate was implemented. To keep Miamians safe, an emergency shelter-in-place order and nightly curfew were swiftly put into effect. COVID safety PSAs were created and published on multiple platforms to educate the public on the virus. The toll the pandemic took on Miamians was unfathomable. Every day, first responders, doctors, and nurses continued to be on the front lines, helping those who fell ill and comforting them when their families couldn't be there. Nothing about the pandemic was easy then, but the city did everything possible to assist residents in their greatest time of need. From opening COVID testing centers, doing in-home testing for seniors, continued the Opportunity Center job fairs online for folks looking for work, and the city even opened up COVID hotline for people with questions about the virus. For months, COVID cases in the city and around the country continued to spike and dip time and time again. But as time went on, as people began to adjust to the new normal, more businesses, restaurants, and parks began to open back up. For the first time, it was an opportunity for the city of Miami to stand up and see the light through the darkness. We saw many city services resume, others become more user-friendly and innovative. We saw more food giveaways, Publix gift card giveaways, and we were still able to celebrate our holidays virtually with loved ones. Recently, the city opened vaccination sites for seniors, including mobile vaccination programs for our most vulnerable residents. We're helping our young Miamians too by offering tuition-free care for qualifying families at the city's 3 childcare learning centers. While things are beginning to look up, the coronavirus is still here, and many are still mourning loved ones and fighting for their lives. This historic moment in time has taught Miami and the world that we are truly in this together, and that by working together, we will overcome coronavirus.